Welcome to our channel. If you want to turn on proximity alert features on Disney+, follow these step-by-step instructions to manage location-based notifications and enhance your viewing experience. Step 1. Open the Disney+ app on your mobile device and make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen to access your account settings. Step 3. Look for Settings or App Settings in the menu that appears. Step 4. Navigate to Notifications or Alerts within the Settings menu. Step 5. Scroll through the notification options to find proximity alerts or location-based notifications if available. Step 6. Toggle the proximity alert setting to the on position to enable this feature. Step 7. Grant Disney+ permission to access your device's location services when prompted. This is necessary for proximity-based features to work. Step 8. Go to your device's main Settings app, then Location Services, and ensure Disney+ has location access enabled. Step 9. Customize which types of proximity alerts you want to receive, such as new content available in your region or special location-based promotions. Step 10. Save your settings and exit. Disney+ will now send proximity alerts based on your location and preferences. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.